This is Pam with Cool Springs Wines and Spirits. In support of social distancing, we're bringing you your Daily Quaran-tini. Today, we're going to make a hurricane. So a hurricane is a drink that uses a lot of alcohols that we've already used in all of our previous videos. First, we're going to start with a light rum and a dark rum. A cocktail shaker filled with ice here, and we're going to put a ½ ounce of each of these in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an easy way to count. ½ ounce, just a 4 count. Then we're going to do a ½ ounce of a tropical mix, which is cranberry and pineapple juice mixed together. Pour that in there. Then a ½ ounce of Grenadine. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. And 3 ounces of finestcall, which is a sweet and sour mix. Pour that in there. We're going to put the lid on the shaker and give it a good shake until you feel the coldness of this. Take the cap off, pour it into your hurricane glass, top it with a little 151 rum right around the edge. Hurricane. Cheers.